Anything we can do?
So and then I restacked all of our boards in front of his window well. I opened up the gate to kind of let no water out. That's just going to let no water in here.
The water's flowing that way.
Yeah. The problem is the spillover is already under the outlet. So it's just trying to bubble up now.
What can we do?
Nothing.
Pray?
Hope it stops raining soon. I mean, it wasn't raining in DC.
Holy crap, that's deep. You can drown in that, it's so deep. Wow. Is that okay? Has it ever been this high?
Never been this high.
I feel like it eased up a little bit, but still.
Yeah, just right now. Does pour.
Can we unclog the drain? You trying to get at the drain, Eddie? Is it okay? Yeah. All right.
Is there?
Yeah, let's open up the garage, please.
Yep.
Is there something on top of it?
Yeah, there's like just debris and stuff. Someone grab a broom and try to.
Yeah.
I got one too.
Need me to grab any tools?
No.
You good?
Yeah, that drain down there was clogged. Now there's like a whirlpool.
Over here?
Yeah, down by the.
Holy. The end of the street.
Tree across the street, right?
No.
Going, taking a left out of Fallsway, there's a tree across.
Oh, damn. I hope the trees don't start falling.
Yeah, I feel like I should just take my shoes off.
Oh, boy. Just trying to just sweep that out. Keep it moving.
You think the water's going down if you?
See what's going on. Looks like it's stopped a little bit. Gonna go for a swim? Look at that. You see that? Oh my goodness, dude. This is crazy. I hope it stops raining like right now. So I see bubbling over there. I don't know what's going on with the bubbling. But yeah, something going on right there. And I obviously like right over there. Don't get your foot in there. To help him.
You don't get sucked down.
Hey, you might not want to play in there, kid. Careful with that. Might never see you again. I think this fence has a history of falling over. He's got rope tied to it.
Not another drain up here, right?
I don't see it. Do you know where the drain is? Right there?
Okay. Yeah, we thought maybe there was another one here. Bubbling in the middle.
I was wondering what the heck that was. That might be a sea monster.
You go in my backyard?
Yeah, you can go for a swim.
I want to go back there.
You should see it though, Marin.
I marked the tree
I do want
where it was when I went down there, and it's probably 2 inches lower now.
Oh,
And I
good.
can feel the suction on my feet.
Well, this,
Yeah.
this is a lot lower too.
Thank God it's moving. It's getting.
That one was going down, and I tried to throw the other one.
Wild.
That's the worst I've seen it in 8 years.
Well, and what I was telling Jen, I was like, you know, I've been in the house working, and I know it's been raining, but like, it wasn't raining to do that.
Well, why did it back up so quick?
I don't know.
Huh?
Maybe just because so many of the things are
Backed
backed up. I don't know.
or blocked? That's pretty bad. I don't know why it got so backed up all of a sudden. Thank God it stopped raining
Oh, yeah.
so it can drain.
Just wait till the sun comes
Right? We've never seen it this bad.
out. No. I've never seen a free pool.
Go look.
A free public pool on our
The whole thing is
street.
completely. Watch your. Don't get your shoes wet. It gets really
Yeah,
deep.
fine.
Did you see
My
their
friend
yard?
Jordan's dead.
Mhm.
Jordan never did that.
That's right.
You can see.
Go look at his backyard.
Okay, which one?
Whoa. What's this?
Well,
Wait, what?
that's because it needs air.
The people need air.
I want to see people's backyards. I just want to go.
Just go walk over there in the grass. You'll see it.
I need to.
It's draining slowly but surely. It's really deep over there, Miranda. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Anyway, it was deeper before. Come look. Here, this is for you.
I don't think I really need it.
Here, just hold it. She's fine. It looked pretty serious, but thankfully I'm not sure. I think it's okay. The owners are down there.
Yeah, I hope the sump pumps are working hard.
It's pretty serious back there.
About 15 years ago, maybe 20 years ago,
Uh-huh.
we had a deluge like this, and 4 or 5 houses, maybe even more than that, all the basements flooded. And the builder came back and did something, or the people here all got together. I can't remember what it is. But you know, there's a stream and a creek back there.
Right.
And it's supposed to flood that way, but it never does. When it pours down rain, it comes this way too.
Yeah, it's all running that way. Out the
Yeah, I
guy's
saw
fence
that.
down there and everything.
Yeah, I don't know if Rich is home or not. Rich is on the corner here, Mr. Ruggiero.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him and see if he's home so he can check his basement.
Yeah, he's gonna want to check because his whole backyard looks like a ocean theme park.
Yeah. I'm gonna call Rich now and see where he is.
The little hole on top of that man cover is sucking so much water down. He's the hardest working guy out here.
Oh my gosh. Do you guys need anything? Like more shovels, more people?
Is your basement okay?
Do you know there's a humongous river flowing through your backyard?
Yeah.
Okay, how's your basement? Good.
Right now it's okay. How about you? You guys okay?
We're okay. I think it's that run of houses, you know, yours and 3 or 4 others on your side of the street that are all feeling this effect. Do you remember when you first bought the place shortly after something like this happened?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
everybody had to have their basements redone?
Yes.
Do you have a battery backup for your sump pump?
I do not have a battery backup, but my sump pump is working.
Yeah, as long as you have power. If you lose power,
Right.
you're going to be in deep doo-doo.
I know, Lisa. So right now the flood, I'm looking at it as we're speaking. It's probably 7 feet away from my stairs to go down, in the backyard.
That's good.
My basement stairs. So I think I'm going to be okay because it looks like it's let up now.
Yeah, but
Right.
it's supposed to be raining like this for the next 6 or 7 days in a row.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Yeah, the
so
whole week.
you may want to go get yourself a battery backup and some sandbags just in case, because you don't want it to breach if it should come higher in your yard, it could breach the top of your staircase and potentially flow in, which would of course then cause a problem at your threshold because all the water will just come in your back door.
Oh my goodness.
So
Wow.
I'm just
Okay, thank
thinking, about it. I've been doing this for so long in real estate. I've seen a ton of things happen. So I thought
Yeah,
I
why
would
not?
just reach out,
There's
A,
nothing.
to make sure you were home,
Just be careful.
B, to make sure you were okay, and then C, that you were thinking about what could potentially happen as it rains for the next 5 or 6 days.
Well, I didn't realize we were going to get rain. I thought today was the last day, but
Mm-mm.
thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, I was looking at the forecast. It has changed. It's supposed to be like this for the next 5 or 6 days in a row.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, I guess we're making up for the lack of rain. I know we were in a
Exactly.
drought.
Mother Nature is definitely angry at what we sent to the earth, I think. So definitely, if you can, get out and get yourself a battery backup and maybe some sandbags just to protect your back door just in case. Because those sump pumps can only keep up to a certain speed, and if it can't come fast enough, water can fill up.
My socks are.
Soaked?
Yes. I'm even trying to go in the shallow ends and.
Dude, there's so much water.
Yeah.
Dude, oh my goodness.
That river though.
Thank God it doesn't go on our side. Oh. It's crazy how long it takes to drain out. Yep. Aaron, you probably turn that. Probably close it.
I only have Crocs on. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's just. Who cares if your feet get wet?
Yeah.
At least in my
Can you do
ways.
me a favor and put it by like the steps? Like by my, I usually put it in my car. You can just put it by the steps.
What was that?
It's a dock.
The dock.
I'm gonna ride my bike through this.
Seafront property.
Okay. Can I walk? Dad, can I walk through this?
It's kind of deep, sweetie.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't want you falling over in it. Snakes? Ooh. Could be.
Well, we do have a big black snake living in between our house and your house.
This area is clear. I mean, it's just so much water.
Just so much water, there's nothing you can do with it.
Maybe the ridings are flooded right now.
What? The Ridings floods? How'd you find out?
That's why I come home.
Oh, you mean that road, like
The
Underwood?
road's flooded, and then the
Underwood.
spillway was Underwood flooded. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that flooded so much.
I
Wow.
only think it's that area where the culvert is coming underneath of Underwood.
Yo, this river is insane.
I don't know how much rain we got. We must have
Come on,
gotten
let's just walk through it.
Hey, you mind if I fish?
It's crazy. It didn't rain at all this afternoon.
It
from
wasn't?
about 4 o'clock.
I was
or
saying
8
we
o'clock
could
in the morning in DC. Not a drop of rain.
I know I was down in the basement working at 2 o'clock and it wasn't raining, and all of a sudden 3 o'clock it was like,
It came fast.
It did.
I don't understand why it was so quick. I mean, it was raining hard, but it didn't seem like anything exceptional.
And that's just making more
Rain
water.
worse than this, and we haven't had this.
Yeah, it's peculiar. What's the deal?
Huh?
I don't understand it. Why it backed up so quickly.
I know it's just,
Mom.
Jen, hey, we're fishing. You want to join us?
Fishing pole?
You see how far this goes?
I wonder what the Barbas
You got. Yeah, I was wondering how it looked over there.
Their river goes the other direction though.
Oh, okay.
Barbas, it goes for the creek.
Does it actually work? I feel like something is not working right if this is backing up.
they gotta get something straightened out, and that's something
Right?
crazy.
I feel like it's not draining correctly. Something ain't right.
And my engineering stuff worked on the colorways this time.
Yeah.
I was like, so it's gonna be tested.
I can swim in this.
I don't know if it said.
Does it affect that side much? Not really, huh?
Because that's higher. That's all high up, and it all flows down from up there.
Yeah. This is pretty bad because we're gonna get even more rain this week. So
I
We're gonna be out here with buckets.
I'm gonna have to do, I gotta back up some pump, so that it wouldn't hinder the amount of wood that's coming in.
Uh-huh. And it pumps it from where to where?
The backup, I don't have, it's a third phase pump.
Uh-huh.
Pumps us out 1,500 gallons an hour,
Okay.
but it runs off a car battery.
Okay. Wow. It's the worst you've seen it in a while?
This is obviously like this since 2010.
10? 2010?
In our basement flooded.
Jeez. You play it safe in your basement? Don't put much down there?
We got everything down in the basement. That's the problem.
Oh boy.
The last time when the basement flooded, it took weeks to get everything out of there,
Yeah.
put up. The sheetrock had to be cut 2 feet up.
Oh my.
Insulation. It was a disaster.
Yeah. Yeah, this is completely crazy. And it's still raining a little bit.
I'm worried if we do more. I mean, it's like
Yeah, it's still raining too.